Hey, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. It's really hard to believe there isn't something troubling Amanda Bynes with all of these bizarre outings she's making, but this one could be the strangest yet. Amanda was asked to leave her gymnastics class. Fellow athletes at the adult gymnastics class in Chelsea Piers were shocked when she showed up in fishnets and a leotard that looked like lingerie. Onlookers tell the New York Post she was muttering to herself and then burst into tears when she attempted a cartwheel and her dark-colored wig fell off. Amanda sat down on the floor and cried. One onlooker says she lined up with the other gymnasts and each took their turn to perform a role, but Amanda just walked out on the mat, was spinning around in circles and mumbling to herself. After all this, she was escorted out. For more entertainment news, stick with hollyscoop.com.
Watch your favorite videos wherever you are. Available as a free download for both your iPhone and iPad. Search Holly Scoop in the iTunes Store.